got peppers from this gas station in Tennessee.
Not that hot, y'all.
And they lying. She lying.
No, I'm not.
Bite it, Jewel. Bite into it like a pickle. You gotta bite into it. You gotta bite into it like a pickle.
I'm not that hot.
She is
Girl, no, you're crazy.
And she just put the whole thing in her mouth, and I choked up for one bite.
Oh my god.
Tonight, something's wrong with you.
Her taste buds is messed up.
Oh my god, do I just bit a look and my finger burning? Oh, you want the look, girl? See? Oh, my eye burning from the. Oh, Janaya is crazy. Look how she's looking. It don't bother her. Did you even bite it?
Yes.
Janaya, something's wrong with you. That stuff is hot as hell. It's like a habanero.
Tastes like a regular pepper.
That's not funny.
That's not funny.
Then the chicken gonna make it worse because the grease makes the pepper stick to your tongue. That's what it felt like to me. Oh my god.
They don't have no McDonald's over here.
Who is right?
This is my mouth couldn't
Go ahead. Nah, you ain't. You gotta bite it.
Not hot.
Nah, you gotta bite it. You can't take that. No, you're crazy. And she took a little bite.
Shove the whole thing in your mouth.
It's not
You
that
see how I was choking?
You're crazy. This is not. What are you talking about?
Something's wrong with her taste buds, right?
Something is wrong with her taste buds, because clearly something's wrong with her. This is high.
This is that down south stuff. You said you started what?
I started crying in the back. My nose is like still snotty too.
And she talking about she want to try. She gonna be crying the whole deal.
This side of my mouth is burning.
I told you. And she sitting there talking about y'all dramatic. She is. I don't know what's wrong with that child. Whew. All right, I'm gonna do this for y'all. Warning. Do I got enough water? I don't got no more chicken to eat though. I don't think I can do it. My stomach is already hurting. All right.
I told you not to put that in your mouth. I told you not to eat that. What would you?
You ate the whole thing or
I
something?
told her not to eat that, and she did it anyway.
You ate the whole thing?
She took a big old bite like a fat person took a piece of a burger.
Why you gotta compare? Ooh. I need some more chicken. That's why the girl gave us to me for free.
Yeah.
She said, "How many do you want?" I said 3. She said, "Okay." I should go record. That's why your ass gave me that for free. Cause she said it. Oh, they hot.
Now my
Y'all,
nose
we
is
at this
hurting.
Love gas station that's in Tennessee. Where my receipt?
My nose is hurting.
They had a Chester's chicken. And, oh, my mouth is burning. Woo! Where's the receipt? Did she give me a receipt? I don't even know what Chester's chicken I'm at in Tennessee, but they trying to kill people out here. Oh my God. I gotta go get some chocolate, y'all. Something. Gotta get this taste out of my mouth. So, I feel like throwing up, y'all. Tongue is numb on the side. On the left side, the lip is burning. I don't know what was in that pepper. They put tonic in that. Seriously.
She can go get some.
I gotta get something for her. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have to get something to dilute. Whew, the pressure. Alright, we better get back in the car. Get on the road to head home.
Naira, you was a lame. Popping that for the fame. Remember that
Had to
time
get some
I
trouble.
went
Get away from my stuff, ghetto.